up, y'all? I am back with another video for you, and today I'm going to teach y'all how to get a wing liner with a felt tip. I know I did like a wing liner a while ago, and honestly, I don't really like that video, but you know, we all grow, we all get better at what we do. But I wanted to update y'all on do a different one than what I did before. So if you guys want to know how to create a wing liner with a felt tip, then just keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing I do before I do a wing liner is curl my lashes. So that's exactly what I'm going to do right now. So why I curl my lashes before I do my wing liner is so when I have the liner applied, I just don't want to mess up what I have with the curlers. I just think it's easier doing it before rather than later. So now that my eyelashes are curled, I will now actually do the wing liner. Sometimes I'll do the pencil liner first. Really doesn't matter. It's just what I feel. The liner I'm going to be using is the Tattoo Liner in Trooper Black, and this is by Kat Von D. And this is just a felt tip. So this is going to be the fun part, actually filming this. So I'm going to kind of turn. So how I do this is you got to tilt your head. I'm using this mirror, the mirror in this palette, and looking down into it. So kind of looking up in your nose. And so sorry if I get out of camera, but I'm going to try. So you gotta look down and you want to go straight out, so it's like an extended part of your lash line, so don't go too far. And you want to keep just a very light hand so you're not like pressing too hard, therefore you're getting a bigger line than you want. So as you see, I just have a small little line, and I want to go halfway into that line and draw a line this way into my like lash line area. I don't know. You'll see. And then see how it's like weird? So what I like to do is flick. And kind of looks like that. So there's that, and then you kind of just want to make sure it's kind of what you want. You can make it thinner, you can keep it this kind. I would want it thinner, but it's fine. You know, I'm gonna do what I do. It's more bold that way. Let's do that. So now that I kind of have the line of the wing connected, I will like extend it into my inner corner over here. And then I just connected the lines together. So pretty much that is that, and it's a lot easier if your pen is has more ink in it, but mine is kind of getting rain out, but that's fine. So I'm just gonna do the other side fully without explaining, so you guys can see more of the full effect of how I do it, because I know that's helped me when I learn. Okay, so now that both of my wings are done, I'm sorry if the last clip I had my hand in front of my face. It's just kind of hard to do a wing on camera. Tried my best. But now that I have the outlines of both wings and they kind of look symmetrical pretty much. Wings are really hard to get the exact same thing. Because this is out, you can either use the same eyeliner pen that you were using or go in with another one you like, I guess. I'm just using another one just because that other one is like drying out. So I'm just going in with this Steeler Waterproof Stay All Day liquid liner, and it's just the sample size, and this is an intense black. So for this, I'm just pretty much filling in the triangles that I made on my eyelids, and yeah, that's pretty much all I'm doing. So sometimes I want to clean up the edges a little bit more just because I'm a perfectionist and that's just how I am. So when I want to clean up my edges of my wings, I will go in with this flat brush, and this is from Beauty Strokes, and it's just a line and define brush. And I'll also go in with my Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm in the shade Light. And for that, I will just have the tip and put it in here and brush some off. And then I will go on the side and just make a line. And say I just want to do it on top as well, I will just do the same thing. And then using my finger, to buff it out just so it's not like a sharp line. And sometimes I just want to sharpen the edges out just so it looks like a sharp line, and I never had a mistake. And I'll just go in with my liner again. Sometimes I feel like on this side it's more round than straight. I don't know why, but it happens almost every single time. Round, go ahead, but I don't prefer it round. I want it straight. Pretty much that. And sometimes if I already have shadow under my eyes, I will want to go back and put the eyeshadow back on, but because I don't already, I'm just gonna put on the eyeshadow under my eyes, and then I will go in and do my liner and my mascara. So what I'm using for the other liner and the mascara is the Man-Eater Tarte liner, and then my Benefit They're Real mascara, and I've been using this lately, and I just got it and I've loved it so much, so definitely check it out if you have not. But yeah, that's pretty much all I do to create a wing liner with a felt tip pen. If you guys have any questions that you need help with, just let me know in the comments below, and I'll be happy to try to help you as best as I can over, I guess, texting, but like replying back to you. So let me just apply these two things and the eyeshadow, and I will be rolling the finished clip of my wing liner, or whatever it is, the final photo, the final clips of the overall look. Don't know what to ever call those things. So yeah, you know what's gonna happen. It's gonna happen, you're gonna see it.
Make it last forever. Stop in time. Yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, hold tight. Yeah.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Give a big thumbs up so other people can find me as well. Comment down below anything you'd like me to do next. Also hit the bell to be notified when I upload, which is every Wednesday and pretty much every Saturday as well. You can follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter, and my Facebook page. They'll be linked down below, and I hope to see y'all in my next video. Bye!
I've patrolled these empty thoughts before, but I'm fixed now on the cure. I'm holding on to the last rock on the mountaintop, and I'm begging for your love. Do you remember the type of folk we used to be, and the simple souls we used to see?